The unit that we will now be working on is on phrases in the classroom, frases en la clase. These are words and phrases that you will need to use at school or in class. Specifically, we will be talking about objects and commands. Here we will discuss words and phrases that are necessary for the classroom. This includes objects and items that you can find in a classroom, as well as commands you might hear a teacher say. First of all, we will talk about phrases that students need to use. Useful phrases for students. The first one, ¿Cómo se dice blank en español? Or ¿Cómo se dice blank en inglés? These questions mean how do you say a word or phrase in Spanish or English? These phrases are questions asking for permission to go to a certain place. Puedo ir al baño means may I go to the restroom. Puedo ir a mi locker means may I go to my locker. Puedo ir a la fuente, may I go to the drinking fountain. And puedo ir a la oficina means may I go to the office. No comprendo is a useful phrase if you don't understand something. It means I don't understand. Repite, por favor, could be a phrase you use if you would like someone, a student or the teacher, to repeat what they just said. Necesito is a word that means I need. For example, if you want to say I need the homework, you could say necesito la tarea. Necesito un lápiz means I need a pencil. You can use any of our classroom objects with necesito to mean I need. These are phrases that students can use. Next, we have some cortesías or polite words that you might want to use in class. First, perdón means pardon. Por favor means please. Gracias means thank you. De nada means you're welcome. Lo siento means I'm sorry. And salud means bless you. It's what you say after someone sneezes. It actually means health, but it's used like bless you. Next, we have phrases or words that the teacher would say. These are commands that are giving instruction on what to do next. Again, used by la profesora or the teacher. Levántense means stand up. Siéntense means sit down. Abran means open. Cierren means close. Entréguenme means turn in. Saquen means take out. Repitan means repeat. Escuchen means listen. Miren means look. Hablen means talk. Escriban means write. Levanten la mano means raise your hand. Pongan means put. Lean means read. And these are all, again, phrases that you might hear a teacher give to give instructions on an activity in Spanish class. Next, we will talk about objects in a classroom. First, we have el cuaderno, which means notebook. El or la compañero, or compañera. These words mean partner. So if you're talking about a boy, you would say el compañero. And if you are talking about a girl, it means compañera. You would use compañera. And again, this means partner or classmate. El sacapuntas means pencil sharpener. And el lápiz means the pencil. El marcador means marker. La bandera is flag. La silla means chair. Next we have el pupitre, which means desk. El mapa, which means map. La papelera, which means garbage can. And la basura, which means garbage. El reloj means the clock. La mochila means backpack. La pizarra blanca means whiteboard. La puerta is the door. El papel means paper. Next we have el libro, which means book. El bolígrafo means pen. And la tarea, everyone's favorite, homework. This brings us to the end. Again, these are phrases and words that can be useful in a classroom or at school.